If you have issues with Wi-Fi not working properly on iPhone 17e, then let me try to help you with that, and let's see what we can do to repair those Wi-Fi issues. So first we're gonna go to settings, and in here the first thing that we're gonna do is something that might sound very obvious to some people, but you want to check if the AirPlay mode is not activated. Of course, when AirPlay mode is on, we don't have access to Wi-Fi, among other things, and it might, like I said, it might sound obvious, but sometimes we can turn it on and we might not even be aware of the fact that AirPlay mode is enabled. So make sure that it is disabled. If that is not the case, we're gonna proceed to Wi-Fi, and another simple thing that we can do is simply turn off Wi-Fi and turn it back on. Of course, you might need to wait like a couple of seconds at least to let the iPhone connect to the network again, and see if that works. In case your iPhone does not want to reconnect to the network, you might want to tap on the network over here in order to try to connect. In case disconnecting is an issue that appears on your phone, that is, your iPhone sometimes disconnects from your Wi-Fi network and then it doesn't want to connect back again, you might want to tap on the eye icon right next to that network and make sure that auto join option is enabled. In case you still have issues with connecting, for example, you still have it in My Networks, but for some reason the iPhone doesn't want to connect to that network, you can of course tap on the eye icon again, and then in here you can forget this network. Afterwards, you will have to, of course, connect to the network again. You will have to find it in here on this list of available networks. You will have to provide a password and simply try to connect again. In case you cannot find your network anywhere in here, like it is not available in your networks, or it is not available in other networks, even though you should have it in My Networks, for example, you can go to Edit in the upper right corner, enter your passcode, and in here you should be able to find all your known networks, so all networks that you have been you used in the past. So you can tap on the minus button on the left side in order to completely erase the network from your phone, and then you should be able to try to pair again. Another thing that is worth mentioning is that if you go to the details of your Wi-Fi networks, you can find the low data mode, which of course can be the reason why your Wi-Fi might feel slow, or why some of the apps or features might not work properly. So you just want to make sure that the low data mode is not activated. If it was enabled, you can turn it off and see if this solved your issues, if there's an improvement. Now, besides that, what you can also do is you can check your other devices that use the same Wi-Fi network. So if you have anything else that is also connected to the Wi-Fi, to the same Wi-Fi that you're trying to use on your iPhone 17e, check if you do have Wi-Fi on that other device, if everything is working correctly. If you have issues with Wi-Fi on that other device, then of course this can be the indicator that you have issues with the Wi-Fi itself rather than with Wi-Fi on your iPhone 17e. So you might want to deal with that first. And in case everything is actually fine, none of these tips that I just mentioned now they didn't help actually, you still have issues with Wi-Fi, then another thing that we can do is actually go back to settings. Next in here, we're gonna proceed to general. There we go. In here, scroll down and search for transfer or reset iPhone, and then you want to tap on reset. In here, you will find the reset network settings option. So you want to select it, of course, enter your passcode, and then confirm that you want to reset network settings. Keep in mind that this might also include other options like, for example, Bluetooth and cellular data. So, for example, you might want to go to Bluetooth settings and check if your Bluetooth devices are disconnected. You might need to reconnect them or pair them again on your iPhone 17e. But of course, erasing or resetting these settings should also mean that your Wi-Fi networks are going to be erased as well. So you might want to try to connect again. And last thing that you can do is pretty much reboot your phone. So you want to go back to general over here, for example, in order to find the shutdown option. So you can turn off your phone and then turn it back on and see if that helps. Sometimes a simple reboot of iPhone also can be helpful. So keep that in mind and give it a try if needed. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.